Hello there, welcome to the Gist on PlugTv Live. On the Gist today, popular Nigerian singer Davido in high spirit as he counts down to his birthday on the 21st of November, requesting gifts from colleagues who have decided to shower him with a lot of money. Let's check out the full story. Nigerian singer Davido seems to be in high spirit as he's currently counting down to his birthday in a few days. Davido, who has posted quite a number of videos on his Insta story, started by showing how excited he is and thereafter started calling out his colleagues to send him money for his birthday. Davido, while cruising on his Insta story, said he was calling out everyone to send him money, especially those who he has helped to become popular or given a hit song. Well, it feels like most of his friends and colleagues are also cruising along as many people have decided to send Davido money. Let's check out some of the video he posted as well as some of his...
Know that I've given you a hit song. If you know that I've given you a hit song, I dey wait. No, yourself. It's not privilege. You go think you go use them as privilege. Say, I dash that small boy, they grow money. Na privilege. You understand? You get money. This Latin don't send money. Today not. Wow. God bless you. Diamond Platinum, Tanzania, Focalistic, South Africa, Stanley now, Cameroon. Okay, I'm waiting. Meoku, Peruzzi, Dremo. Oh yeah. Sharply. I'll call other people's names. I'm calling everybody out, nigga. Fuck that. Everybody out, nigga. Fuck all that. Issa, Bobo. Oh yeah. My shit going crazy. E-money. Received. Thank you. Bitcoin day game. Tycoon, I get one letter.
Yes, now you have two. Ethereum too. You have Ethereum too. Dead.
In something that started as a joke on Twitter and his Insta story, Davido wrote, "If you know I've given you a hit song, send me money. Una know una self." So he then dropped his account number after, and just 7 minutes after, he posted again, "Or more, 7 million in 10 minutes. Keep going. I love you all. Aim not 100 million. I won't clear my Rolls Royce from port, I beg." And then he gave another update few minutes after saying 22. And then yet another update saying, "Omo, na like joke I start this thing, 26 million. I know say una love me, but una love me like this?" Well, some of the people who have showered Davido with money include Nigerian musician Chike, who sent Davido 1 million, Mr. Easy, as well as Zlatan Ibile, former Big Brother Naija housemate Nengi, and a host of others. Oh well, we definitely wish Davido a happy birthday in advance, as it feels like it's going to be a very lovely celebration. Let's know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe to PlugTv Live before you go.